everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. It's cookie time! You guys have been giving me rave reviews about these cookies. So yes, we ordered new ones. They're finally in. So what flavors did we get? Alright, so let's see what kind of goodie flavors we have. So we keep all of the cookies in a climate-controlled environment and completely sealed. What flavors do we have? Triple chocolates.
What a glorious box.
They're really, really huge. See how large those cookies are?
Fantastic.
So we have the triple chocolate flavor. So we're going to get those off the top here.
We should have brought all of our boxes over.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. We can just put them right in the boxes. We'll do that. I think we should do that.
Go for it.
All right.
So we got these from Little Red Kitchen. So they're made to order. So as soon as we put in our order, that's when they actually make it. They do have a shelf life, as you can see on there. This one is February, the 3rd of February, I believe that is. Or the 2nd of March. One of the two. I'll have to look it up and see exactly how they do their dating things there. But that has not been a problem. You guys have been buying these so fast. So fast. So we sell some on the fire sale depending, but most of the time people love them. I believe they're based out of New Jersey. I believe that is correct, if I'm remembering right. Yeah, let's see. Brooklyn, New York. Right there. So, but fantastic. So you get two really large cookies, and they are so soft and tender. So, really nice. So, they're not hard cookies. So.
Alright. I got the last boxes.
Our box system over here.
Mm-hmm.
That'll help.
Alright, so then we can just put all the triple chocolate cookies right here. All right, perfect. So we're going to pull all the triple chocolates out. Oh, and then we have Amaretti. Now you want to tell them what's so special? These are our only gluten-free.
Gluten-free. Everybody always wants gluten-free, and that we've got a gluten-free cookie. And they're good.
Yeah, we've had lots of good reviews on them. You guys have been emailing me. One lady said the cinnamon, what are they? The brown sugar pumpkin tasted like her grandmother's cookies. Yeah. Which shocked her.
I don't think it's a huge, factory that's pumping these cookies out. I think it's a smaller kitchen. And so it is going to taste a lot more homemade feel to it.
The fact that they're made to order.
Yes.
Is really, really nice too.
And we got these cookies 2 days ago. I think came FedEx, I believe. Yep.
Yep. So they ship them pretty fast. All right, I'm trying to find all the Amaretti ones since we've looked at those already. And then next we have s'mores.
S'mores. Look at those cookies. Oh my goodness, look at that.
All of the ingredients.
It's like a melted marshmallow inside of that cookie. Oh my goodness, that would be good. Fantastic. If you eat these at church, you don't gain weight.
Oh, yeah. Are they calorie-free?
It's the holy ground policy.
I see.
So there's more than one reason why you should go to church. So bring your cookies. Pastor's preaching. Just
bust them out and start chopping.
Just start eating.
Having snack time. Pass them down the pew.
Shoot, if you're Baptist, we eat all the time. So there you go. Wonderful. Maybe we should do this for communion. My goodness.
Stop. Okay. All right, what's next? We have the next layer is the signature chocolate chip.
Ooh.
The signature chocolate chip.
Signature chocolate chip.
Doesn't that look glorious?
They do look good. Our daughter makes chocolate chip cookies too. She doesn't make them this big though. They're usually about a quarter size. Well, not quite quarter size, but $50 size, which she makes them. Really, really good too. So I have not had their chocolate chips. I wonder how well they compare. But everybody's been telling us Fantastic.
Yep.
Look at that.
All right.
What is your favorite cookie? Put it in the comments section below.
Yes, please. All right, we have molasses spice.
Oh, here we go.
That's a new one.
This is new.
Yep, that's a new one.
I tried to find every cookie that they had. Our first initial cookie order sold out so quick. I think within a week and a half they were all gone. So I'm like, okay, what else they got?
Right.
And this was one of them, molasses spice.
That was a new kind, yep.
Yes, so really, really good. So let's see, what makes this molasses spice? Let's see if I can't figure that out for you there. What does it have in it that makes it that? Organic brown sugar, unsalted butter. Yeah. Ooh, it's got pumpkin pie spice. Organic pumpkin pie spice. Then it's got cinnamon, ginger, clove, nutmeg.
Oh yeah, that's what gives us the holiday spice flavor.
Nice.
All right, there's all those.
What's next?
All right, now we have lemon sugar cookie.
Lemon sugar. This went really well too.
Yes, it was. It was a super
good old sugar
popular
cookie.
one. Sugar cookie.
Sugar cookies. Didn't the kids do a play about sugar cookies?
They did. It was called The Great Holiday Bake Off.
Great Holiday Bake Off.
And they were dancing sugar cookies across the gymnasium floor.
I think this would look good in the store there too. It's a nice little...
Yeah.
Like if we got a little display for them.
Oh, we could
They would look neat.
If we could put them in...
Down in New Baden?
Yeah.
The Liquidation Station down in New Baden, Illinois.
Yep.
Wonder how things are going down there right now.
I think they are. They're open right now, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. Right now. As we speak.
All right.
There could be hundreds of people in the store.
Dark chocolate sea salt. That is a brick. Is that a brick?
Is that a brownie? It's a brownie.
It's a brownie.
Now, see, I am not a brownie fan. And my first cookie order, I did not order any brownies because I don't like brownies.
But everybody else likes brownies. Okay.
Everybody else. Everybody and their brother loves brownies but me.
So let me explain the story about the brownies. I asked Paul, why don't you like brownies? He said, because it's not a cookie, and it's not a cake, it's some weird hybrid in between, and it's just wrong. Yeah. That was his answer to me.
I'm pretty sure they're evil.
No,
I'm pretty sure they should be against my religion.
And the thing is he loves sweets, and he loves chocolate, and brownies are probably the easiest chocolate sweet you could bake, but he doesn't like them.
But I don't like them.
But these are dark chocolate sea salt, and you can eat them, and he will not.
So let's do a poll down in the comments.
Who likes brownies?
Who likes brownies? Who doesn't like brownies?
Ooh, and do you have to eat the edge piece or the middle of the brownie? Because that's a controversy.
I just want to know who likes brownies and who doesn't like brownies. I want to know where my brethren are out there that don't like brownies. Because they're there. They're out there.
Your brownie-hating brethren?
My brownie-hating brethren. See, like, even holding this, I want to light it on fire.
Oh, stop.
I do.
I feel like you have a lot of hostility pent up against brownies.
I really do. But dark chocolate sea salt, that kind of sounds kind of nice.
Yeah.
The sea salt aspect
so that
to
is
it.
That's the larger box of the two. And let's open this one.
More paperwork.
More paperwork. All right.
Oh, man.
Caramel apple oatmeal.
Give me one of those. Look at this.
Caramel apple oatmeal.
Don't they look so good? Just look at it. Man, you can tell it's almost like it's homemade. Look at that.
Those are one we had before, and those sold really fast.
Yes, they did.
We really didn't keep hardly any of them past about 2 weeks.
No.
Because they sold so quickly.
So wonderful. Looks like a crumble cookie almost. Man. You can smell it just a little bit. Man, it smells
They're sealed fairly well.
Yeah, they are. This packaging isn't too bad at all.
All right. And then next up we've got double chocolate peppermint.
Double chocolate peppermint. Now, see, I bought this last time because of Christmas with the peppermint. And so it has little pieces of peppermint, if you can kind of see in there.
Kind of as Andy's mint, but it's regular milk chocolate instead of the dark chocolate kind of flavor.
I want to see if it actually says it's in there. peppermint oil. So maybe there's not...
Well, peppermint oil would give the peppermint flavor.
Yeah.
They put peppermint oil
I thought there was little pieces of peppermint in there, but that wouldn't make sense, would it? So it's the peppermint oil that makes it peppermint.
Yeah, well, and the pieces would make it too hard.
Probably, yeah. So, but very good. So I'm really curious to see if this will still sell, even though it's not Christmas. So, because when I think of peppermint, I think of Christmas. But other people, I mean, there's peppermint York patties are sold year round. So
yeah. All right, what is in here? This looks fancy. Wow. This is peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Oh, yeah. Now, see, what they did there is 2 cookies.
Peanut butter cookies.
They're like the 2 pieces of bread, and then the jelly, and it's probably peanut butter cookies and the jelly.
Yeah.
So
we're going to actually leave these in the box.
Oh, yeah. That's great. I think I order batches of 12 each.
So probably one of these other boxes is peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
So they'll go... Where will they go, Heather?
Where will they go? They're going to go on the shelf.
And you can find them.
Oh, you're asking me where would our viewers go to find them. I was like, I don't know what he's asking here.
Yeah.
All right, I did not pick up.
They are going on our shelf.
Yes. Okay, so you go to hookedonpickin.com and you can find them under the snacks category, and they'll be right there and you can pick your flavor.
Absolutely.
So, yep, this is another box of peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Great. They are going to go on a shelf, though. She was 100% correct.
I was totally confused at where you were going with that question.
So,
most of the time, we're on the same wavelength.
Most of the time.
We were not.
But, man, when we're off, we're off.
We are usually a left field. This one is the regular peanut butter ones.
Oh, cool. Peanut butter cookies. Yep. Nice. I like peanut butter cookies.
So then we have 2 boxes of the peanut butter and 2 boxes of the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I think that was it.
So
that is a
the only new one was what then?
So we have 2 new ones.
2 new ones?
These 2 are the 2 new ones. We have the molasses spice and the dark chocolate sea salt brownie.
Boom.
So you can go straight to hookedonpickin.com and go to the snacks category and you'll find it there. They are called the Little Red Kitchen cookies. We'll put the brownie under the cookie section as well. Yep. And then you can just choose which flavor you want. And we have currently right now 12 of each kind. But snatch them up quick because everybody that has been emailing me about the flavors basically said, as soon as you get them back in stock, I'm buying them again. So as soon as this video goes live, we might get wiped out, which will be awesome, and we'll order more right away. So hopefully you had fun watching this Little Red Kitchen cookie unboxing, and now you're really, really hungry. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you have not been to the Pickin's Mystery Box category, we have added some new categories. So we have mystery boxes available. Like this size right here would be a medium size mystery box. If you bought a large size mystery box, that would be equivalent to this size of a box here. And then we also have a small category. And so you can check small, medium, or large, and you get more than that amount in each box. So for instance, the small one is only $25. You'll get more than $25 worth of brand new product inside your small mystery box. We have knives mystery boxes, we have home and kitchen mystery boxes, and we have mystery of mysteries, as well as a bunch of other categories. So check out the Pickin's mystery boxes on hookedonpickin.com.